Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So the market is open and as per expectation, market is showing normal market moves. It means that there is not much volatility like the usual Mondays. This is the 10-year government bonds chart and you can see that it's standing somewhere around the previous resistance here. I think the government bond chart may struggle a little bit around this level. If it breaks this level here, we will get the confirmation that market is bullish again and we will see good amount of recovery on the 10-year US government bond chart and we will see correction on the chart of gold. If you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY is also not showing any crazy move after the market opening. DXY is still confused right now. Still we need a clear move from DXY. And this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. As you can see that levels have not changed at all because nothing has changed on the chart of gold USD. Our levels are still very much intact. My dear friends, if you already have watched my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, then levels are still the same. And if you're new to the channel, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday for a detailed analysis of gold USD chart. So as we can see right now, market is standing at a support here, support zone we talked about. So still we have not received any clear confirmation about the bounce. So as a result, if you already have taken a buy position somewhere around here, then be on the trade. No need to exit from the market right now because still we can see that market is taking support. So there is a possibility that during the Asian session and European session, market may see show some up move and you can make some profit as well. But during the European session or US session, okay, if you see market forming red candles here, then it will be a red alert for all the buy positions, because one thing you must focus here is that market is standing at the support for quite some time. Okay, market is standing at support for quite some time, but still market is not bouncing, market is not going up. It means that till now market does not have the strength. The buyers in the support level does not have the strength, the power to take the market up. As a result, there is a possibility also that market may break 1639 level and go down further. As we have already discussed in our previous video, that if market breaks 1639 level, you can go for a sell position if you see that market is going down with a big red candle, and you can exit. Okay, you can exit after 40 to 50 pips, but the next support is around 1629, so there's a space for 100 pips. But to be on the safer side, you can book at least 50 to 70% of your profit after 40 to 50 pips, and you can continue with the rest. Okay, and as we already know that the best support in this chart right now is around 1620 to 1617, and in case market goes up from here, then 1656 to 1660 will be the first resistance for us. Keep in mind 1656 to 1660 is not the strongest resistance. Strongest resistances are, remember we discussed, they are quite far away on the chart. They are around 1720, then 1705. Those levels are quite far away. 1660, 1656 is a medium level resistance. So when market will be going up, or if market goes up, observe the market first. If you see the market is struggling just like the previous times, okay, then only take a sell position. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, market is showing bearish engulfing kind of a pattern, then only take a sell position. Never forget, no level is permanent in the market, but as a retail trader, our capital is limited, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your hard-earned money. So this is the overall scenario. For detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you. Okay. So bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow again. All the best. Please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. Bye bye, take care.